Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kayli Kinkaid and I'm going to tell you a little bit about why I'm here and what this channel is all about. So my husband and I started an eco-friendly cleaning business in Kansas City 5 years ago, and over those past 5 years we've learned a ton about cleaning in an eco-friendly, natural way, and I want to share that info with you. I started off on Instagram and Facebook, kind of just sharing tidbits here and there, and got amazing feedback from family and friends, and so I thought, hey, maybe it's time to share this with the world. We'll see how it goes. So I will be sharing eco-friendly cleaning products, routines, the process, before and afters, all that sort of stuff. And I'll also be sharing with you how I organize things and some different organization products with people, because I'm starting that side of our business and growing it a little bit too. And then I'll just throw in some vlogs of lifestyle and food hauls and eco-friendly beauty products and all that kind of stuff that I like. I don't know. I'm new to this YouTube stuff, but we'll see how it goes, and I'm excited to be here and excited for the journey with y'all. I think YouTube is an awesome place to cultivate a community and learn things from each other and share ideas and just have some fun. So I'm happy that you're here. Thank you for being here. Come clean with me and have a great day.